Hey, welcome back to another quick video. In today's video, I'm going to go over how do you post comments on YouTube. Believe it or not, this is something that not everybody knows how to do. I've actually had a lot of friends and family ask me to make a video on just how to comment on YouTube or do a reply on a comment on YouTube. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. All right, everyone, we're currently on my phone, so you're going to want to make sure you have the YouTube app installed. Once the YouTube app is installed, you want to make sure you're logged into the account that you want to leave the comment with. You can see your profile icon up here in the top right. I'm just going to scroll down and select any video for the sake of this tutorial and hit pause. Now all you have to do to leave a comment is go down to the comment section here, but you have to click it to open it. Once it's opened, you'll see an add a comment section where you can then click leave comment, type whatever you want to leave, and then select the little blue paper airplane here. And as you can see, it left the comment. And again, if you want to do a reply, it doesn't say reply on the mobile, but it does have this little icon here that you can select under any comment, and it'll leave a reply to this thread of messages from this original poster. So I hope you found this video informative on how to leave a comment on YouTube and leave replies, thumbs ups, thumbs down, likes, dislikes. If you found this video informative, please hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.